Welcome back to the Trade to Buy series, where I attempt to build my $3 million garage in just 6 months with nothing but my own trades. Now, let's talk about last week. Last week I ended in profit. Though I have an update for you for what happened on the last trade that we took last week. You might not be happy with me, but I'll show you more on that later on. But this week, we're attempting to actually hit 50,000, right? Last week we were supposed to do it, didn't hit it, but this week I'm sure we're gonna do it. I'm confident that we're gonna do it. You know why? Do you know why I'm confident that we're gonna do it? I actually have nothing smart to say. Anyways, I'm not gonna dress while my face is white. The UV rays are high, the sun is hot. I'm in Dubai and it's summer, so that should go without saying.
Major breaking news. Iran has attacked the United States. Tehran launched a missile strike on the largest American military base in the Middle East.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your guy.
Good morning traders. So at least we're up 8,000 from 28. At least we're up 8,000. My gold trade that I'm in is also going to shit right now. So yeah, right as I try to be an adult, right as I try to adult. This is I'm gonna go sleep now. The markets are closed. Not much I can do.
What happened?
Yeah, you know, U.S. went, dropped some bombs. Everyone said, I bet you want to drop some bombs. I bet. Let me show you what we got going on. And that happened, you know. I was in some trades when this happened. I found out the news after the fact, you know what I mean? And I found out by SL. That's how I found out about the news. It's like, God damn, what happened? What happened? And I read the news and I'm like, oh shit. But what did that got to do with my trades? You know what I'm saying? What that got to do with my money? I didn't miss nobody else's money, yo. I did it. I don't even want to show you guys the gold trade because it's this close from SL. This close. We're just gonna wait to see that, and maybe we might need to start again. The goal for this week is still 50K. I'm emotional. I don't know if you can see, my eyes are red though, not because I want to cry, but because I want to sleep. I'm gonna go sleep, guys. I'll catch you guys in the morning. I said this already in the last video. Don't ask me about the hair, all right? The hair will be there. It's time to go sleep. You got me out. So in the previous video, I wanted to mark this day off as a green day because I made $28,000. But my wife told me I couldn't mark it off until the day was done. So you know what I decided to do? Sorry. So you know what I decided to do? I decided to take even more trades and proceeded to lose $26,000. I'm not done for the day.
So don't mark it off.
I have to mark it off.
You're not done for the day.
I'm not losing less than $28,000 today. I'll tell you that much.
The rule is,
I won't mark it off. I won't mark this off yet. But overall, I'm $28,000 in profit. I took the other trade. You guys saw it, the NZD CAD trade. I'm in it right now. It's up $5,000. We're gonna let that play out. But overall, the day was $2,000 in profit. So I made.
I got you, babe. I got you. There we go.
But I proceeded to still end the day in $2,000 in profit. So yet it was a green day on Monday.
Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. Don't know buy by the lot. You don't know what I done saw. Couldn't live without it. How can you stay for the wall? Chase out deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spotted treasure. So yeah, that gold trade. I'll show you guys all the setups. So we're sitting at $252,656.64. Still in profit. I told you I'm gonna take Monday off as a winning day because I still won. But now it's Tuesday and I gotta look at the charts and trade. But now we just came out for just a little bit of a nice breakfast. Came out, sit out, have some breakfast, nice views, and then, you know, just something chilled, you know, a vibe. I don't know if I'm gonna swim. Probably just go and buy something to swim in. I didn't come with anything to swim in. I just came to eat, but we'll see. Because I think I want to swim. But yeah, we'll see, guys. We'll definitely see. For now, I'm probably just gonna eat and chill. And yeah. Yo, mama gon' have to make a go fund me. Y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab. Gucci had to get a whole bunch of the day. I'm sad at this motherfucking mean jack.
To the top of the car. on the back of the you don't know what I deserve. Can't be without it. I sleep full of walls. Chase out the deposit.
Let me tell you what's super frustrating at this point in time. It's the fact that I'm only up $2,000 and I said I'm gonna be up 50K for this week. I get up 20K. The most I've ever made in total profit for the entire trading challenge was 27,000 in profit over our, of course, initial balance. That was dumb. That was dumb. And then I just keep falling right back to break even, because I have 1-2 good trades and then just a string of like 5-6 bad trades. It's been absolute crap what's been happening lately in the markets. But I have a strong feeling that things are going to start to stabilize real soon, and when they do, we have to capitalize on everything that we do, because my god, it's been dumb. It's been a lot. Only $2,000 up is embarrassing, man, but it's a Tuesday. I got the whole week left, and I just have a feeling I'm gonna hit my target. And you know, I'm just gonna play it a lot more safer. Like I told you in the last video, I have to evaluate. I have to maybe do big lots, small moves, and just stop trying to do, you know, trying to hold for the long term, you know, trying to swing trade a couple of things. Maybe I just need to scalp. Maybe I just need to play the scalper's game until I get a lot more clearer opportunities and I'm a lot more certain that they're not gonna just like fuck out, because it's been horrible. And in other news, look at the view. Nah, never mind, that was ass. You couldn't see shit. I have a question. I really wonder what they be doing on their phones, though. Hey, yo! Actually doing? Like, what you actually doing on your phone? Like, what are you actually doing? Like, what are you actually doing? Because
I be minding my own business.
I got a bit of an attitude.
Right.
If nobody else is a trader, I don't think you should be busy on your phone because you got no real work you're doing on your phone.
Excuse me?
That's me. So if I see anybody who's not a trader, who's on their phone, I'm just like,
Excuse me?
you ain't working. If you're not a trader, you ain't working. You know what I'm saying? What you doing? Scrolling through Instagram? You know what I'm doing? I'm making money. Well,
right now you ain't.
Hey, I'm still $2,000 in
not-
profit. I'm still $2,000 in profit.
That's what, like 1% of your account? Less than? It's like 0.7% of your account.
Okay, you're getting real lippy today. Oh my God. You're getting real lippy today.
At least I'm on my phone not losing money.
Yeah, but you're not making it either. You're spending it.
I'm not losing it.
But you're spending it.
Baby, you and I are on the same boat right now. Make some money and maybe we can talk.
My mom was right. You are a gold digger. Back up. Back up.
Right now I ain't got no gold to dig.
I have feelings. You hurt my feelings.
I'm sorry.
No, don't patronize me. Come on.
Hey, what? Oh! Are you okay? Are you?
guys want to hit some?
What?
So I want to start by apologizing, guys. I need to start by apologizing. We lost a lot of our footage. And it's just absolutely fucked because the editor cannot find a lot of the footage. Some of this part is in a little bits and pieces. We recorded this, recorded that, and it absolutely sucks. However, the good part about everything is that I'm still going to show you every trade I took, all the breakdowns, and I sent every trade before the setups, before any movement even happened. I sent it into the war room so I can show you guys exactly what we did, because I told you guys full transparency on this entire challenge, 100% transparency. You guys need to see the power of trading. So I sent every setup before in the war room, which is free, by the way, for you guys to join. You make sure you guys click the link in the description down below so you guys can come and join the boy. So I'll show you each setup when I sent it and how much I made off each particular trade. So let's lock that in. All right, so we're gonna, of course, start with the sell USD CAD that I did send out, but you guys already saw that in the beginning. This is the one that smoked me. And now let's come to the gold trade that I was also in that also smoked me. Because you guys remember we were left with like $8,000 in profit after the 2 losses, and gold, I was able to kind of just limit the loss. Gold is able to kind of limit the loss to about 6K. So that's the beautiful part as well. So yeah, we limited the loss. Initially, I wanted to continue with it to the top side. Let me get that for you guys. Initially, I wanted it to come above and break that previous bearish candlestick.
That strong bullish candlestick kind of deceived me. I should have known we were gonna continue selling. I should have known it was gonna sell, but I thought we were gonna chase the highs. But then at that point in time, I kind of explained it to you guys as well. There was a lot just happening, right? There was bombs being dropped, all right? There was a lot happening, a lot of shift, a lot of back and forth, fucked with the markets, and you can see exactly what happened. So we took the loss on gold. We're not gonna dwell on that too much. What I do wanna come and show you guys is what we did afterwards, because that's when shit got real, that's when shit got fun. So this is the trade. Now let's come on over here. So this is, of course, this is the trade we lost. This is the one we lost that I sent to the group. Now let's come down to the next trade, which was a buy stop, 3304. This was the buy stop that I did send to the war room. Now this is the trade that we took. Now this was the trade where I did about $23,850. $23,850. This was the trade that we did take. Beautiful, solid trade. Went straight up, hit take profit. It was a solid, it was a great trade. Now I didn't hold it for the full take profit because remember, I still have to stick to my rules. Now the reason I didn't even downgrade my lot size, like drop my lot size at this time, is that I wanted to do big lots, small moves, big lots, small moves. I was able to take 23K off this trade. Now let me show you kind of the setup that I had seen as well. So of course we had fallen into our area of interest, but I don't want to dwell too much on this trade, and I'm not going to dwell too much on this trade because if you watch the previous video, I broke down all I saw happening. So I don't want to go through it again because it's going to be boring for you guys. I can briefly go through it, but I don't want to go through it like everything I saw because I did break down my potential trade areas in the previous video. And as you guys can see, you know, I might be the GOAT or something. You know what I'm saying? I might be the GOAT or something. But that's just me. I don't really get into stuff like that. So we did take a good strong buy. We got $23,000. As you can see, let's fucking go. I'm turning up with the team. A lot of profanity in our group, but don't worry about it. So we took 23K on that. The trade continued to buy and fly. I already dropped out of it as well. Now then, the next trade right over here. Here was another trade. We took another buy on gold, which was this particular setup over here. This was the next trade that we did take as well. And at the time, let me show you how it was because price was still forming. At the time, all we had was our touch over here where price started to create a bit of a trend line. It came for the bounce. I had confirmed, drew the trend line, saw the momentum, the bullish push, waited for just a little bit, a red candlestick, a nice bullish engulfing, took the trade, went up. I did a big lot, a small move. The trade, of course, shot to take profit again, but I have to respect my trading plan, right? I did see a higher projection, but I said, big lots, small moves. It was big lots, small moves. And at this point in time, once I hit the 19K, the account officially hit $296,000. That's where we were at. Beautiful. It was solid. It was great. So I decided, you know what? I'm gonna start risking a little bit less, right? Now I'm gonna drop the lot size, get a little bit of movement. I'm not gonna go too crazy because it's only 3K that I needed. Yeah, so I want to just show you what happened first with the gold trade that I did take. So then I took a gold trade here. Yeah, I took this gold trade. I lost $3,700 on it because I was actually trying to make about 6K. I wanted to be just a little bit over, but I lost about $3,700 on it. So it smacked me, dropped me down. It's okay, whatever, nothing too crazy. Easy shit, right? Easy stuff, right? There was a Chief JPY trade that we took. I didn't take the trade though because I was already up. I didn't take the trade already. I was in a trade simultaneously and I didn't have enough to risk for the day, so I did not take the trade. I did see the setup, however, but it didn't pan out as well. So that did not pan out as well. And yeah, now I need $8,000 for my $50,000 for my $50,000 for the week, guys. That's gonna be really good because we're almost closing off the month. I need to actually mark off the days for you guys. I need to mark off the days, which were blue, which were red. Every day actually has been green. We've had green days every day since Monday. The reason for this is that even though we had some losses in between, like the days, like even we'd have maybe like 2 losses and then 1 win, overall profit was for the day. So it was really good. Even though it was little profit secured, it was good. We did green as well. We did green as well on Wednesday. I did green on Wednesday. Give me a second. What did I do on the 24? I also did green. Okay. Oh, I did red on Thursday. So I did green over here. Beautiful. And then it was red here.
and today is playing out. So the month is almost over. So I needed to hit 50K. The reason I needed to hit 50K is that the month's almost over. So this month was like a good trial and error month. This month was a good feel of what this challenge actually is. And hit 50K here, we'll have Monday. We can see maybe we can end the month off with maybe $75,000 in profit. Depends how this trade plays out. It hasn't even started yet, but we could end the month in $75,000 profit. I don't actually know, but I hope and I pray to God we end it with at least 50K in profit. And that would be 50K in profit, and I know for a fact we need to turn it up the next couple of months. Because 50K profit, yeah, it's a lot of money. It's really good money, but it's nothing compared to what the overall goal is. So I need to turn this bitch up a lot, like today. I need to turn it up. This month was a good trial and error. A lot of back and forth, a lot of black days, never traded. Only traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. I only traded 11 days. I've only traded 11 days this month, and I've come out with, well, so far, $42,000 profit from 11 days trading. It's pretty good, but I mean, if you break it down, I was only doing, if you really like divide that, I was doing like, what, 4K a day, which is pretty shit. That's actually pretty shit. It's bad. It's really bad, especially for the account size, and I do a lot more. So yeah, but it's been a crazy month as well. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't have predicted or foreseen the events that took place this month.
Almost world war.
Almost world war. A lot of holidays because for us as well. So it was pretty crazy this month as well. But next month, July, nothing's stopping me.
Beast
nothing.
mode.
This is gonna be the 4th of July, but after that we turning up. Like nothing's stopping me. The goal for next month, I'm gonna break that down for you. Let's finish today. Let me wrap up today, and over the weekend, I'll break down what I'm targeting for July. Because July we're going fucking insane. I'm not kidding, guys. If this month was good wishy-washy, but July? Y'all niggas don't know, bro. Y'all didn't expect that shit, didn't you? Yeah? I saw even my sister, she in the back there, she got a fright. Hey, punk ass nigga.
Birkin.
You cannot keep yelling Birkin on my YouTube channel. Because she has been yelling private jet and Bugatti Divo, and then there's niggas in my DMs telling me, yo, you better get your girl that private jet and that Bugatti Divo. And I'm like, bro, y'all putting pressure on a nigga, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to live. Let me get my garage first to something, you know what I'm saying? Now there can be niggas like, get your sister a Birkin. Wow, stingy ass nigga, you don't want to get your sister a Birkin, all that money. You can't even get her one little ass bag. Wow. Now you're gonna have people judging my character, and that's a problem. Now I don't appreciate that, so what you should do is actually maybe get the hell out and move. You're starting again.
Louis Vuitton.
Cut that shit.
Okay, so right now I'm just setting up a quick buy stop because New York is about to start trading in like 20 minutes, and I just wanted to quickly catch some pips on the way down. Now overall, I'm probably not gonna hold up for the full take profit. The reason I'm not holding up for the full take profit is all I need is $8,000. Well, $7,203. That's what I need to hit the 50,000 goal for the week. It is Friday. So I'm not holding for the full way. I am still going with the same approach that I did tell you guys I was gonna be using last week. I said, because of the way the markets were reacting, that these long holds weren't always beneficial because of the way things worked. I had to adapt. So we were doing big lots, small movements, doing a lot of scalping. So I'm still keeping to that same tempo because I need to make this 50K. You know what I mean? I need to make it. Right now we're up. I'm not satisfied. I set a goal. I need to make it. But I'll take whatever the market gives me. At the end of the day, you can't be greedy. I'll take what the market gives me. But I set a goal. I have a day left of trading. I see a setup. I'm gonna take the setup. We don't change the strategy. So this is what it is. I've seen it right now. I've set sell stops actually in place. I forgot why I drew this line. I actually have to see it on the higher time frame. And I'm probably gonna mark it up and just send it to the crew real soon. Because once New York starts trading, once we come around the 3272 mark, I definitely see us continue to dump just a little bit more. And we do have an area of interest right down below. So let's see what happens.
So I wanted to record something cool for the video. This mask is too small, bruv. This mask is way too small, bruv. I don't fucking shit, bro. I can't fucking feel my hand. This shit ain't working, bruv. I gotta get this bitch off.
You know you're the love of my life, right?
Yes, baby.
So I'm gonna show you who I really am.
Okay.
No, don't come I'm Batman.
Oh, thank you.
But I'm gonna show you my real identity. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Get ready for this. It's me, babe. The whole time. You don't know.
Baby, it was you
know?
the whole time.
You know that.
And your face is so sweaty. Oh my God.
I mean, it's hot in this bitch. Why do you think I'll be fighting crime or whatever? You know it was me the whole time?
I didn't know.
You
I didn't know.
You know it was me?
I didn't.
Come on, man. The hair had to give it away. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. You know it was me? Yeah, nah. I just be killing the markets every now and again, just doing some shit. You know what I'm saying?
Doing you?
Type shit, you know?
Where your pants at?
Don't worry about that, sweetheart. Pants distracts them, you know what I'm saying? Also, they don't really allow me to get my kicks in. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. Anyways, let's get back to work. So, we're celebrating because the trade won. We made a lot of profit. We finally hit our goal. I'll show you guys exactly where the trade was when we hit our goal. It was really good. Really good. Little progress makes most. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. So we're celebrating because when I took the trade, when I placed the trade, I was like, okay, cool, I'm placing this trade. Let me just go do something real quick. And as soon as I placed it, minding my business. Take note, I didn't look at the trade for 10 minutes. I come back, I hit take profit. Take profit, done. We've officially hit our goal, guys. Insane work. And I'm gonna celebrate. I'm celebrating today. Today I want to celebrate, man. It's finally, man, like after 3 long weeks of getting our asses cooked, finally we hit 50K. So you know what we gotta do. I actually gotta practice my NFP walk. I haven't done the NFP walk in a while. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know the NFP walk. You know? I think this might be a little too fast. Maybe let's try. Oh. She's okay.
It is currently 11 p.m. and we're on our way out. To do what?
Oh, where are we going? Oh, we're gonna celebrate. We're gonna celebrate a very important milestone. We may have or may not have hit our $50,000 goal for the trading week. The most profit we have made since we started this fucking challenge 2 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago. Yeah. Smack your goddamn daddy.
Oh. So, where are we right now?
We're in an undisclosed location, babe.
In the desert.
In an undisclosed location. We could be in Las Vegas right now. Don't look at the plates. We could be in Las Vegas right now. I don't know what you're talking about. Where are we right now?
So why are we...
We're here in the desert because we're here to fucking celebrate.
Okay. Why are we celebrating?
We are out here in the middle of an undisclosed location to celebrate us making a total of $51,700 since we started this challenge. It's been 3 weeks and we finally made it. We finally accomplished something. It's been long.
We finally did it.
We finally did it. So it's time to celebrate. Let's get it. Woo!